like.
That's not needed. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are The Mathers and wishing you all a very, very happy Teej, especially for all the new brides out there. This is a special one for all of you. So wishing you all the love and happiness always and forever. So obviously today we also have Teej celebrations in the evening. It is Rohini's first Teej और कल हमने थोड़ी सी celebration शुरू कर दी थी. If you guys have seen our yesterday's vlog, then you would know today is the main day. So as of now, Abhishek and I have stepped out. We're going for lunch. We thought we'd grab a quick lunch because Ira is sleeping, and then be back in an hour. और फिर हमारी, it's going to be a busy evening. Besides that, yesterday I was not feeling too well. We did the gifting and all of that was done, and we had our dinner. Right after that, मैं अपने कमरे में चली गई, and I had a pretty bad headache the entire day. If you saw my yesterday's vlog, then you would know that I've been going through this headache for the past 3 days, and कल बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था. And I started feeling very cold. My body started hurting, so I freaked out and I was like, shit, I hope I don't have fever, but I didn't have any fever. I just had like body ache and I was just feeling really tired because I've not been sleeping at night. So I popped a paracetamol yesterday because I was just not feeling myself. Now I woke up fresh and everything and I felt so good and I was like, thank God I took that medicine. नहीं तो मेरी तो बैंड बज जाती आज और मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती आज. So then Abhishek said, you know what, let's just go for lunch because if you're sitting at home and you're sitting in a night suit, you're going to feel, worse. So maybe you stepping out, eating some good food will make your mood, cheer up. So we're doing that now and we're heading to Ambience Mall. We're going to go and eat at Paul and I hope we get a seat to eat at because it's usually, this time बहुत ही ज़्यादा crowd होता है and it is, what is the time? Yeah, it's 2:30. It's like peak lunch hour, but I hope we get a table. Even if you have to wait for like about 20 minutes, that's fine.
Oh, look at her pasta. Looking nice, babe.
Me or the pasta?
Pasta. And you, of course. But mostly me.
Where's yours?
आता ही नहीं, मैं तो डाइट पे हूँ. I can't have anything only. Guys, मैं सिर्फ ये पी रहा हूँ पानी आज के लिए. How's it?
Nice, creamy pasta.
Give me a bite.
No.
Please, yaar, one bite.
No.
One single bite. Give na. Guys, मेरा खाना कहाँ है? जल्दी बताओ. जल्दी जल्दी. Where is my food?
So that is basically Abhishek not eating.
It's healthy.
How do you live with yourself with this lie?
Lunch तो खाऊंगा ना. What do you want me to like collapse? Die? What do you do? Don't touch me.
So guys, I've got myself an iced latte with almond milk and Abhishek's coffee is, what are you having?
Cafe Medici.
What is it, with chocolate?
No,
Which you're not allowed.
Non-fat.
Yeah, acha.
milk
It's with
with-
chocolate, guys. It's with chocolate. It's
There's
with
no
chocolate.
chocolate.
It's with chocolate. It's with chocolate.
There's no chocolate.
It's with chocolate. It's
There's
got
no
chocolate
chocolate.
syrup in it.
What? कुछ भी. Don't touch this.
अरे वो तो दे दो, एक bite तो
No.
दे दो, एक bite. Give me a bite. Look what he's giving me, guys. Just look what he's giving me. So guys, we're heading home. That was a really nice lunch and yummy coffee. And मैंने आपको by the way अपनी मेहंदी नहीं दिखाई. That is what my mehendi looks like.
ऊपर से something.
It's not ऊपर.
Oh, what is it?
Like हाथों में गहरी
लाली.
or something like that. Yeah.
हाय सखियाँ, ये अखियाँ, मेरे को lyrics नहीं आते.
Anyways, now we are heading home and Ailu Patailu has woken up. I just saw her on the camera and we should be home in about 5-10 minutes. We both have to shower and then chill with her and then I think around 7 o'clock we have to be ready and be downstairs because I think the Teej puja that we're going to do will start around that time. Guys, I'm finally ready for Teej and I'm really excited for the celebrations and I'm going to show you my entire look. but I'm not late today. I'm actually on time. I'm ready before everybody, so I'm very proud of myself. और now मैं आपको ये सूट दिखाऊंगी. ये बहुत पुराना सूट है. It's one of my favorite and I absolutely love it. Just wanted to show you how I've done my makeup. And by the way, I have lots of makeup tutorials already on my YouTube channel. You can go check them out. I've already made a playlist जहाँ makeup लिखा हुआ है. And if you want to learn a few tricks of mine, then you can go there and check out the videos. Okay guys, this is what I am wearing. This is such an old suit of mine and I'm so happy I could fit into it. Woof. And I love the work on this. बहुत ही प्यारा काम है और मैंने बहुत दिनों बाद heels पहनी हैं. And actually, by the way, I wore these heels for my wedding. These were my wedding shoes. I got these from Jimmy Choo. This outfit my mother had made for me. I love it. It's basically 6-year-old outfit, but बिल्कुल ही जैसे नया दिखता है. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go out, check where everybody is, because let's get the celebration started.
तीज वाली जब तुम आती हो सब कुछ लेकर, तो जैसे अब मैं तुम्हारी सास हूँ, जो भी तुम लाई, और फिर मेरी भी मदर है, मेरा पीहर है. So this is the only way one keeps in touch with पीहर. You know कि जो मैं लाती हूँ तो मैं अपनी मदर को दिखाती हूँ, अपने मदर को. कि देखो ये सब मेरे लिए आया है, ऐसे इसलिए ऐसे बनता है ये त्योहार. तो बेसिकली इट इज टू कीप द कनेक्शन बिटवीन फैमिलीज. कि भाई मेरा भी पीहर है. करेक्ट. मतलब नानू तो मैं मेरा भी उनसे कनेक्शन है, तो मैं उनको दिखाती हूँ ये देखो. और मम्मी का बाल ऊपर आया है.
Thank you.
सदा सुहागन रहो, खेलते रहो, फूलते रहो, झूलते रहो, मस्त रहो.
Jhula is a big part of this Teej.
Yeah.
Swinging
Swinging time.
अच्छा ये हो गया.
Mansna means what, mom?
मंसना मीन जैसे ये तीज है तो तीजों का त्योहार, तो मंसना मीन्स इट्स अ वे ऑफ सेइंग भगवान जी को चढ़ाना.
चढ़ाना. Okay.
इसको मनसो.
जैसे हम अर्पण किया,
मनसा.
वैसे हम जैसे करवा चौथ पर
And that's
मनसते हैं ना.
why क्या था नाम? मंसना.
हाँ, Mansna.
मंसना था या मंसना था?
मंसना.
थाली को
अद्य शुक्ल पक्षवार तीजों का त्योहार. अभिनव की बहू रोहिणी रानी पूजे तीजों का त्योहार. रानी का सा राज दीजो, गौर का सा भाग दीजो. रानी पूजे राज को, ये पूजे सुहाग को.
Wow, thank you. Oh my god, that's so cute.
What is
So
it?
spicy, it's so nice. Really like अरे क्या
दोनों चीजें मिक्स हो गई इनकी सब.
मेरे लिए क्या है?
Thank you, Dad.
हेलो, मेरे लिए क्या है?
Important is first Amrapali thing for I.
Oh my goodness gracious.
अब इसको पहन कर के इसको
Hey, very pretty. Oh my god, they're stunning.
अरे
What are you doing?
उम्र हो गई है.
कोई कर नहीं रहा सिंह.
Wow! Happy Teej! Happy Teej! Wow! Wow! Happy Teej! Oh my god! Oh wow!
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rohini. ये लो पकड़ो.
Wishing you the best as Teej.
Thank
And hopefully we'll be with the second Ailu Patailu in your next Teej.
You guys are having another baby?
Who was like, eh?
Guys, this is for Ailu Patailu. Ailu
ऐसे
Okay, Abhishek. Look.
Oh, nice. I needed these. अच्छा, क्योंकि मेरी फटी रहती हैं.
I think you're ready to cruise. These are cruise clothes.
Thank you, thank
क्रूज के
you.
कपड़े रोहिणी बिल्कुल आप चीज है ये क्योंकि अभिषेक वैसे चड्डी पहनता है बट दिस अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट्स.
Thank
Maybe,
you.
maybe this is a hint.
I know.
This is a hint that please, I'm done seeing you in boxers.
Please wear something.
One, oh god, you know Abhishek's taste now. Like it's,
Yeah, perfect.
this is so Abhishek.
Well, now you have something for Monday and Tuesday.
No, this is one outfit for Monday.
Oh, it's for week 1, week 2.
That's how we do. भाई मेरा तो हो गया. अब मेरा कल का आउटफिट तो रेडी है.
Pink is yours or orange is yours.
Oh shit,
I got to open it.
Stunning. What a color.
Very pretty. This is
Oh, nice.
very pretty.
This is your style.
है ना? Rohini.
Very smart.
Like.
It's not me. But this is so beautiful. Rohini, thank you so much. I'm glad.
Wow, nice color.
Oh, that is nice. Bas, Abhishek and Dad are with the same color. They can roam around together.
Actually, when mom opened the realized mom's color is very similar.
But I think this is a lucky color because it's green, na? So it's like even you got green.
Oh yeah. I think
Yeah.
green is like.
Oh, that is such a beautiful color. Kya baat, organza. Oh my god. Stunning. Hello there.
Wow, man.
Dinner time, guys. How hungry are you?
Very.
So the newlyweds are very busy in the jhula, chilling, taking selfies as usual. हम बैठ रहे हैं खाने पे. बहुत भूख लग रही है. How beautiful is the table looking?
Am I flying?
Sure. You're a weirdo.
Fly me a river.
It's Crimea River.
Oh, but I'm flying.
Acha.
Okay.
You can't fly someone a river.
I'm flying. And that's it. Fly, fly, fly away. Gently fly away.
That's not a song. Fly like an eagle.
Into the sea.
So I'm forcing Abhishek to sit in our jhula and feel Tej. Feel the Tej.
Feel the beach.
Feel the Tej.
Fubu.
Hi, Fubu. Hi,
Fubu.
Oh, okay, he's gone away. He heard something. He heard food. Hey, such a pathetic. You're just a third grade Anu Malik. Exit. Exit. Exit.
एकदम
Exit.
ओरिजिनल
Exit.
एकदम ओरिजिनल अभी नंबर 1 ट्यून मैंने अभी नदिमाग में आई है फ्रेश टरा टा टरा टा 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 टरा
That is not fresh. It's not fresh.
अच्छा ये हो गया
Yeah.
ओके ओके एक और ट्यून आई है टारा रा 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 रा
Shut up.
टारा रा 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 टा 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 अच्छा ये भी हो गया.
So guys, that's an end to our Teej celebration. We had so much fun. I hope आपको भी पसंद आया. And I'm so happy you guys could be a part of the celebration. Please हमारे channel को subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Please do share it with your friends and family. It would mean the world to us. Do give us a thumbs up and we're going to see you guys in our next vlog. So if you guys want to see vlogs every single day, all you need to do is press the subscribe button because that'll keep us going and then we guys know that you're enjoying our content. So be a part of Meet the Mathur family and trust me, so much fun stuff is coming up. So take care, lots of love and see you guys in our next vlog. Bye!